What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XCN. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin, what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, and what are, for example, the exact setups that I am watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. You can see that from the last analysis we are slightly down. Right now it's approximately about like 13.7% of a net market. If we will take a look on this whole chart, you can see that with the last dump we took liquidity under all of these previous important lows. So right now I'm not expecting that we are gonna break this current low. If we will, the next target is this bullish order block area, which is between level 0.01211 and 0.01112. You can see that the traded volume is starting to be really low. So for the next pump, I want to see here breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area. This bearish order block area is between levels 0.03179 and 0.03023. So right now I'm actually watching here like two setups that you can take on the 4-hour chart. First one will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block area. In my opinion, not that high probability that we are gonna get there, but if we will, this can be absolutely insane long opportunity. And the second setup will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area. In this case, you want to place the stop loss under the low that's under the low of this bearish order block, and entry will be slightly above after its support confirmation. And the last take profit targets you can place above this bearish order block area on a daily time frame, because about this area I am talking really long. And yeah, if we are gonna retest this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are just gonna swipe the liquidity above. So this trade can give you a risk reward ratio up to 10.81. In this case, you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this previous highs, this high, this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 8, 7.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great. So this is currently the main setup that I'm watching on a 4-hour chart. If I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame, and I was talking about this setup in my previous video, but right now we just get a better entry because there was a small drop. But if you will decide to open a long position right now, then your stop loss, because you need to place it like under these previous lows, because as I said, if we are gonna get under them, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna attack lower levels. So there is no point of holding this losing position longer than is necessary. But in this case, to have a good risk reward ratio, I will probably switch on a weekly time frame. You need to place your last take profit targets under these previous highs, and this is actually the main take profit target that I will be aiming in this bull market if I will be opening here some long-term long position. So this trade can give you a risk reward ratio up to 7.91. In this case, again, you want to take some of the take profit targets, so some profits, for example, like under this bearish order block, slightly above this previous highs, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. But as I also told you in my previous video, this trade right now can give you profit almost up to 300% of a net market. But there is some probability, because this coin is having really great hype, and yeah, I know everything is falling, but like this coin is holding kinda well. So if there will be a new bull market, I am expecting, or like if this bull market will continue, I am expecting that we can do here really huge pump. So with this trade, I am planning to close around like 80 to 85%, maybe 90% of the entire trade under these highs, and rest of the trade I am planning to keep under the current all-time high. So from the profit like 287% of a net market, it can be a profit around like 600% of a net market. So yeah, in my opinion, it's definitely worth of taking that risk to place the last take profit target, or like 10% of the entire trade keep, let's say, taking in this area. Especially on the lower time frames like a 4 hour, 1 hour, etc., the RSI indicator is starting to be really undervalued because we are on the level like 23.34. I know that if we are, for example, gonna switch on a daily time frame, this coin is still overbought, but you can see that we had here a liquidity dump which had around like 63% of a net market, and this dump, if I will be specific, happened in like 8 days, which is absolutely crazy. So if, let's say, this dump should continue, I don't think that there is that high probability that something like this will happen, and if it will, and we are for example gonna break like these lower levels, we are probably gonna get back to like these prices and like it's end, like it's over. Do not open any other long position, but for now I still think that this coin is holding kinda well. It's bullish. Every time there is a pump in the altcoin sector, this coin is pumping really well. For example, from the last dump, we were up around like 86% in just one day. Like guys, one daily candle had 84.48% of a net market, and that's absolutely crazy. So I'm really convinced, and right now this is one of the favorite altcoins that I'm currently watching, but right now I'm really convinced that in the long time perspective this coin is gonna go up. And if you are, for example, thinking to buying this coin to your like mid-term or like long-term portfolio, then with a low percentage of your capital, this can be definitely a decent idea. So yeah guys, these are my currently main thoughts about this coin. I will definitely keep you updated, so don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Or don't forget to subscribe, because yeah, there will be definitely other analysis on this coin, and based off the views of those videos that I'm making, I can see that you are guys really interested. So yeah, I am thinking about daily analysis on this coin, so definitely let me know what are you thinking about it. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.